Hey guys, what's going on? Pablo here. If your first time, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So today, we have something special. Got a box. Give you one guess as to what it is. If you guessed, imported box of Swiss chocolates. Pretty close. It's the iPhone 12 Pro Max in graphite. Probably equally as sweet. So let's open this box up and see what we have going on. I know you've seen these unboxings already, but this is my unboxing, so I'm super excited about it. Alright, so let's check it out. Alright, let's get the sides opened here. Bunch of random stuff from my mobile provider, and here it is. Look at this little guy, huh? Maybe not little, big guy I guess I should call it. The iPhone 12 Pro Max in graphite. I chose to go with the biggest storage for this one, so I went 512 because I had 64, which definitely wasn't enough. I don't know why I did that. Huge mistake. Always go bigger. So I went with this one. We're gonna get it opened to see what we have inside and what it really looks like, what it weighs. We're gonna compare it to an XR. So here we go. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna go back here. Ooh, nice. Sexy. Let's get this out of there. Down here. And there she is. Alright. Thin. Has definitely some nice weight to it. Definitely nice and thin though. Let's see what else we have. Nothing really here. We all know about there's no longer a brick. Charging cable. Paperwork. SIM remover tool. Some more paperwork and the Apple sticker. Let's put that right back in there. Put this off to the side. Alright, so let's compare this with the XR, which is right here. So what do we have? Very nice. And there's all the fingerprints everybody keeps talking about. See how that works. But you know what, to be honest, my phone's going to be in a case most, if not all of the time, so really not worried about the fingerprints. I'll just clean them off right before I put them into before I put the phone into the case, so I'm not too worried about that. There we are, you see the difference. Very nice looking phone. Good cameras. The LiDAR at the bottom there. So this is super exciting. I'm definitely gonna be shooting some nice footage on this thing. It's gonna be a nice upgrade from the phone I currently have. I'm really excited. I don't know if it'll work on my gimbal. The Zune Smooth 4 might be a little too heavy, especially when I add the moment lenses that I have. So we might have to look into something a little bit different, but we'll see. We'll do a test of that as well. That'll be probably next video. Testing that out, and then some actual footage shooting on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And then I got a couple of accessories for it off of Amazon. Still waiting for my moment cases so that way I can mount the lenses right to it. But in the meantime, I got nothing crazy, just a little simple black silicone stuff. I do like the silicone one though too. So, and I got some tempered glass screen protectors. I'm gonna put that in there as well. So, we'll put all that on there. See what it looks like. See what it feels like. I don't think the case will add that much more weight to the phone itself, but I want it to be, you know, I like that protection. So, put that on there. So, yeah, well, next thing I'm gonna take this off. I don't want to take it off just yet. I want to put the screen protector on it first. Well, take this off and then put the screen protector on it, but I don't want to have too many fingerprints on it, or dust, and all that other crazy stuff that gets on there. It drives me crazy. So, once I have that on there, put some more of that footage. There you can check it out, see it. But dude, definitely very, very nice phone. Super excited. I think the last phone that was, you know, similar to this size was the iPhone 6. I forget if they called it the Max or what they called it at that point, but that was the last one. And then I went down to the iPhone 10. So should be nice to have that extra real estate on that screen. 512 gigabytes. I'm super excited about that. That storage is gonna be super amazing and come in handy. So I don't have to keep deleting stuff and worrying about how much space I have left on my phone to keep filming. Because, you know, that's what I use to film. It's my phone. So super excited about this. All right. It's down. Let's get everything on there. And we'll see you in a little bit. Alright, I got the screen protector is on. It's actually a very nice fit. So the one I got is one that actually covers most of the screen. It only has a little hole for the earpiece up top there, and it covers most of it. So I've never had this style of screen protector before, so I just want to try it out, see how it works. I always had the one with the notch cut out, so we'll see how this works. Kind of like it, nice and sleek, completes it, covers it. This is the brand that I got, ESR tempered glass screen protector. I'll put it down in the description for you to get it. Like I said, this one also I got on Amazon, so it wasn't too expensive. Comes with 3 of them. It says fingerprint resistant, scratch resistant, and shatter resistant. So we'll see how that all holds up. I will say that you can kind of see, yes, little of the fingerprints on here, but not too bad. I'll definitely keep you updated on that if you get to knowing at all. So let's put in the case. See how easy that is to slide right in. This is another one that completely covers the whole phone. So it's raised edges, so the phone never actually sits. You know, has a little lip there, and also on the camera itself, you'll see it there. So that way, when you put it down, the phone actually doesn't sit on whatever you're putting it on, or the camera doesn't, so you don't scratch the lenses up. So pretty nice, feels nice in the hand. Like it. Might get one of the new Apple MagSafe cases as well, but I wanted something that I would get before I got the phone. That way I wasn't riding without any protection at all until I got something. So I bought this. I bought the Moment cases as well. So, you know, we'll see. We'll have some fun with some different cases and see what they look like. But I do like this a lot. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, as well as if you have any comments, if you have any video suggestions, put them down below. Appreciate you, and see you soon. Remember, keep on living a modern lifestyle through technology. Until the next one, bye.